Welcome to PPK Pharma tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about important questions of or repeated questions of physical pharmaceutics 1. In this video contains unit 1 to unit 5 important questions. This may ask for 5 marks or combination of two questions they may ask for 10 marks. Now we will see the list of these questions. Before going to this video, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial and share this video to your friends. Now we will go into this video. The first unit, physical pharmaceutics. The first question is enumerate and elaborate the factors affecting the solubility. Okay, we need to know we need to write the factors which are affecting the solubility. Next question is define solubility. Discuss the solubility of liquids in liquids. Means we need to define the solubility definition and how solubility of liquids in liquid occurs also should be explained. And also solubility of solids in liquids or gases in liquids should be explained. Next question is discuss mechanism of solute solvent interactions. That means we need to write about the solute solvent interactions and discuss in detail about Raoult's law. Raoult's law is very important in physical pharmaceutics 1. It may ask for 2 marks, 5 marks or even for 10 marks. Okay, we need to write about the Raoult's law and also write about ideal and non-ideal solution and applications of Raoult's law. The sixth question is discuss in detail about distribution law and applications and limitations. Next, write diffusion principle in biological system. This is the unit 1 important questions, and in unit 2 we need to discuss about physiochemical properties of drug. Okay, we need to discuss about the physicochemical properties of drug in detail. Also, what are the various states of matter and how the various states of matter can be changed. That means we need to write about the states of matter which exist in different forms and how it is changed. This is the second unit. The next question in unit 2 is we need to describe about sublimation, critical point and also eutentic mixtures. Okay, next the next question is describe determination and applications of dissociation constant and dielectric constant. Okay, the next question in unit 2 is we need to write a note on dipole moment, relative humidity, polymorphism, vapor pressure, latent heat, aerosols and inhalers. The last question in unit 2 is differentiate crystalline and amorphous solids. We need to write the difference between crystalline and amorphous solids. Next, under unit 3, the important questions are write about method used to measure the surface tension and interfacial tension. That means we need to measure the surface tension and interfacial tension through different methods and we need to write that particular methods. Next question is write about or explain about solubilization and detergency. The 16th question is write about surface active agents and also HLB scale. Next question is we need to write about the spreading coefficient and also next question is what is adsorption, explain in detail. That means we need to write about the what is the definition and describe about absorption. Okay, next we need to write about surface free energy. These are the important questions in unit 1 and unit 2 and unit 3. Now we will see the important questions in unit 4. Under unit 4, we need to describe about classification of complexes and write about metal ion complexes. We need to describe the different types of classification is different types of complexes and also we need to describe about metal ion complexes. Okay, next discuss about method of analysis of complex formation. Next, write about protein binding, how protein binds to the drug or other molecules. We need to describe in detail protein binding. The next question is write about different types of ligands and define the ligands. Means ligands, we know that there are so many types of ligands. We need to explain the different types. Next, discuss about thermodynamics treatment of stability constant. The next question is how the bonding of drugs to protein influence the drug action. In this question, we need to explain how drug the bonding between the drug and protein influence the therapeutic action of particular drug. We need to explain it. The fifth unit and the final unit important question says, what are the write about the adjusting toxicity and pH? How we will we need to tell the methods how we adjust the pH as well as toxicity. The next question is, we need to write about the Sorensen's pH scale. We need to write about Sorensen's pH scale. The next question is, explain the uses of buffer in pharmaceuticals and also in biological systems. In this, we need to explain how buffers are used or applicable to pharmaceutical area and also in biological area. And the next question and 29th question is, write about electrometric and calorimetric methods for determination of pH. Since we have so many methods for determining the pH, here we need to describe about the electrometric and calorimetric of pH. Next one, the last question is, discuss about Hasselbalch buffer equation. Means we need to derive the Hasselbalch buffer equation. Okay, this is the question. And also the 31st question is, we need to write about the buffer capacity, buffer isotonic solution. Okay, and also explain about buffers and its classification and action of buffers. Okay, the final question is, write about buffer isotonic solution and the method of tonicity and adjusting its tonicity of buffer isotonic solutions. Okay friends, these are the overall important questions for the subject physical pharmaceutics 1 unit 1 to unit 5. You read, these are the repeated questions. Okay, if you like this video, once again I am requesting like this video, subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutor, and share this video to your friends. It will be helpful for preparation of your exams. Okay, thanks for watching this video up to last. Bharat Mata ki Jai.